It's cold, but good morning and welcome back to another episode on the Buoy Bomber Fishing Channel. My name is Chris, and today we got the beach cart loaded up. It's chilly out here. We're gonna get out here on the beach and try to catch us some Pompano whiting. We're still entered in the Beach Bum Surf Fishing Classic, we've only caught one Pompano worthy of weighing in, so we've got to get us some more. You see the sun is just coming up. There's one guy here. He beat me. And let's get out there and catch fish. Y'all come with me. Oh, it's a lot of work getting the cart out there with coffee in one hand, but I need it. Oh man, look how flat it is. Y'all see that? Wow. I should have took the boat out today. I should. All right, first rig going out. Salty's Pompano rig with a float and a single hook. Got them tipped with shrimp, and the bottom hook has a piece of fish bites. We got all the rods out. It's a good assortment of Salty's Pompano rigs, doubles versus singles, with shrimp and sand fleas and little pieces of fish bites on some of them. If I catch a fish, I'll show you what it was caught on. But we are set up. We're out here early. There's one other guy on the beach way down there. The sun hasn't quite peaked the horizon yet. We got out here at a pretty good time. Y'all stick with us, or y'all stick with me, and hopefully we'll catch us a fish. One thing I did just notice, that whoever was here before me, you're a litter bug, and some kind of coffee shot. Look at this, coffee, crackers. It's not good to litter our beaches, y'all. Kids running around out here barefoot, step on this can that, you know, that's ripped or rusted, and I'll take care of that when I leave. All right, beach, I did you a favor. Now do me a favor and provide me with a fish. Preferably a 4.5 pound pompano. Go. All right. Let's see. Got this. It's a Salty's Pompano rig, a single rig. I think if I tied this on the long rod, maybe I have a chance to get it out there on that bar. That's my thoughts. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Do it? I'm doing it. Nice chunk of shrimp. And I'm gonna do a little tiny piece of sand flea fish bites. Oh! Furthest one yet, that's for sure. Y'all check it out. You see how far away I am from where my new spot is, and I knew that guy that was here before me, they always catch a lot of fish, and I just came down here to do a little scouting, and look at what I found. He's using orange and white fish bites, or some kind of fish bites. These look pretty fluffy, but look, they're here and there, and I guarantee you, if he had any more rods spiting anywhere, and I think he did because I see a lot of footprints. Oh, look at that. There we go, there's some more of them. That orange and white seems to be what he likes to use. I'll remember that. I don't recommend just leaving them in the sand like that. When you pull them off your hook, go ahead and throw them in the water, or throw them in the trash. I think if a bird ate that, you know, it's got that little fiberglass center that holds it all together, and some kind of mesh. Maybe it's biodegradable, I don't know, but I'm gonna take these orange fish bites and go put them on my hooks. He left a bunch of them. I'll pick them up and go use them. I think that'll stay. I'm just gonna take this and hook it on there. It's gotta be some kind of fish bites. That stuff's crazy. All right, getting her back out there. I'm just gonna do nothing but fish bites on the bottom hook. All right, kept the bait on. Awesome. Y'all, not all trips are successful, but I did have a good time and the views were nice. I'll see y'all in the next one.